Why, hello! This is Hans Lenish, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I'm going to show you something that I know everybody knows and loves. Panda's signature! You know, of these, I've had a couple that I do like, but honestly, of all the videos that I've done unboxing stuff for, a reader sent this in, thank you very much, dude from Montana. They switched all these out with from a different brand at Walmart, and people are mad. They don't like it, it seems like, and that's a shame because they're made in Malaysia as far as I can tell, and Malaysian stuff is among my absolute favorite varieties. But these, I don't know, I think they were trying to go for what they thought maybe the flavor profile people would like would be, and they just don't. But 2 cups of water, 3 minutes. Standard operating procedure for a economy pillow pack you would find at Walmart. Somebody went as far to say that they would never, they were like, we're not going to shop at Walmart anymore. It's like, wow. But it's like, that's the only thing you bought at Walmart? But then their argument was that they were made in China, so since they're made in China, that they wouldn't shop at Walmart. It's like, you know how much stuff is made in China that you buy at Walmart and you have been buying for years, dude? I don't know. I have nothing against China. I really don't. I'm not a big anti-China person, but you know, whatever. But yeah, I mean, if there's bad stuff going on in China, like human rights abuses, I'm not keen with that, obviously. Not keen with what happened in Tiananmen Square and all that. Not keen with what things going on with Hong Kong. But, you know, I still want to go to China. I'd really love to visit and check that place out because there is some history in China. I'd like to see it. Momofukuendo Speaks. This is a book of quotes by the guy who invented instant noodles as I segue away from that topic. Number 195. Closing in on 200. Say allegiance to the three says. Seigi, right business. Seijitsu, sincerity. And Seikaku, accuracy. Seigi, Seijitsu, and Seikaku. Okay, I'll have to memorize that and then I can do that. Yeah, weird day. Really weird day for me. I don't know. I'm just waiting to see what happens next. I got like a random phone call from a guy in Georgia. He had a southern accent. Nice guy named Robert. Thank you for calling. If you ever see this, I have a feeling you never will, but his wife was from Taiwan and she had family in Taiwan and they were coming out with a noodle and they wanted me to try it. So he's like calling me up. Yeah. I'm like, yeah, absolutely. Give him my address and send in noodles. Or he's gonna give it to them and they're gonna send noodles. I should have given him my email address to give to them too, so I could talk to him. But, you know, whatever. If they send noodles, I'll be stoked. And what's cool too is, you know, they don't have my email, so I'll get something all of a sudden. I'll be like, what's this? Oh. So that's fun. Surprise box coming from Taiwan. Ew. Okay, so I am now in the time crunch. It's 12:54. She's got school in 6 minutes. And we've got 4, 3, 2. All right. This is pork flavor. Panda signature instant noodles. Go to any Walmart, you will find it. Hot stuff in the kitchen, Mimi. Hot stuff, thank you. He'll have school in a couple minutes, okay? So get school ready. Yeah. All right, she's school ready now. Okay, I'll just do this. Okay, there's our noodle. Let's give this a try. Some people don't like the noodle. I find it just fine so far. I haven't really had any issues with the noodle itself. Doesn't make me grumpy. Cheers. Standard slightly thin instant noodle. There's the broth. This one did not have the Malaysian halal stamp. It's pork flavor. There's no pork in it, but it's generally like, no. Interesting. It might not be made in China, but it's definitely got a braised pork noodle kind of hit to it. That's pretty good. I will go so far as to say that is an improvement. Some spring onion. Yeah, this is I'm doing the total wrong thing for this stuff. This stuff would do really well with, what do you call it? Chinese sausage. This is not like, this is like a stewed or braised pork kind of hit. Got one of these. Yeah, this is totally like the wrong garnish set for this, but it'll have to work. Because that's what I got. Egg. Yeah, now I'm in the bind. Go, go, go! Some of that. Some of that. And a little oil. And I want these eggs, if I do anything to this bowl, I want these eggs to sit nice. No, this egg. Alright. We are, oh my god, I got 2 minutes to do the beauty shots and everything. There you go. This will be the shortest rotato on record. All right, I've got like a minute and 30 seconds till my daughter has school, so peace out. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, go check out